This is the 5-ton Big Daddy system. Hey everyone, Jay, Cooling and Plumbing Company. On my left, the old traditional cube style air conditioner, and you can see neither of these systems are running right now, thankfully, because we wouldn't be able to talk to you. And on my right is the new Daikin and Goodman inverter system. This is the 5-ton Big Daddy system, so you can see it's got 2 condenser motors on it, 2 condenser fans. Those are running right now. System's operating, it's ridiculously quiet, super energy efficient. We just said hi to the homeowner, made sure everything's cooling, and she is ecstatic. She's like, it is so cold, I absolutely love it. So we're gonna get ready to replace these other 2 now that she's had a taste of her technology.